Oh, hello there. Did you know that you can animate in Minecraft? No? Let me show you. There is a fabric mod called BBS mod, made by me, which allows you to create machinimas and animations within Minecraft. Check out how easy it is to get started. Create a new film, set up basic camera, create a replay, and then record yourself either in the world maybe also move the camera into the frame, or record yourself in the film editor. And finally add some animations. And there we go. Since a lot of this data is keyframeable, you can do a lot of things. For example, here I can change 67 to 68, and now the car will jump over here. And I can change it back to 67, so it slide on the ground. Besides that, BBS mod supports a lot of features. For example, audio synchronization. As you can see, there is a waveform, and it shows in the keyframe editor, in the preview, etc. It can load Blockbench models with animations. There's the support for Bedrock Edition particles, powerful camera system, etc. If you are interested, feel free to start watching BBS Academy playlist. You can also check other people's work. Thank you for watching, and goodbye!